my J Dolls and baby J's? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell by the title, I'm doing another hair review. In today's video, I am working with Alipearl hair. So they sent me this 22 inches 13x4 deep wave HD frontal, and it is in the density 180. So first off, we're going to start out what came in the package. So of course this wig came in the package, and I didn't get a box, you know, like normally like the unboxing, you know, vibe. I got this package inside of the shipping package, so I didn't really get the full effect of the unboxing, if you know what I mean. So what came in the package was of course a wig cap and a little edge brush, and it also came with adjustable strap and some eyelash. Just little details on the hair. When I first washed it, I did get a lot of shedding, which is very rare for this type of, you know, curl pattern. Normally it just like I get shedding with like the real curly hair, but I did get some shedding with this hair. It was maybe like a ball, so I was like, it's kind of worrying me because it's a 180 density wig, so it's definitely thick. I love the curl. I love the curl pattern. It's amazing, but if you don't like shedding and it like scares you, I probably wouldn't get it, but it really doesn't bother me. So yeah, the lace is amazing. Like if y'all look up close, yeah, and this wig just gives me summer-ish vibes. It's just really pretty. It's giving Puerto Rican. Celine went Puerto Rican. Puerto Rico, that's what it's giving. Shipping was pretty fast. Detangling is awesome. Like I really didn't have any tangling when I was brushing through this hair, so I really love that. And this hair is about 50% dry, so yeah. And only thing I put on it was Treseme's conditioner and water. That's about it. So yeah, if you have any questions on this beautiful wig, don't forget to leave that down below and I'll get to y'all questions. So I'll see you in my next video.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in option due to unusual rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 I wanna deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, peak, and reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my voice low. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby. And reach right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, baby,
Take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna
ride the all night. Work it in the middle.
I wanna
ride the all night. Work it in the middle.
So right